How to share apps on WhatsApp. First, you need to extract the APK file from your Android device. Then, open the Google Play Store and search for APK Extractor or any similar app extractor app. Next, download and install the APK Extractor app, and then open the app to see all the applications installed on your device. After that, find the app you want to share and tap on it. Furthermore, select the Share or Extract option depending on the app you're using. Now, the APK file will be extracted. Then, choose WhatsApp from the sharing options that appear on your screen. And then select the contact or group where you want to send the app. After that, tap the Sends button to share the APK file. The recipients can now download and install the app directly from WhatsApp. Furthermore, this method is perfect for sharing apps that aren't available on the Play Store or for sending apps to friends quickly. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.